Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the front and back cameras on the Xiaomi Redmi 9 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create an opening near the charger port. Insert a picker through the frame and back cover, and then by using a plastic curl pry tool gently move around the phone, release the plastic clips by the frame. Take out the back cover and take out the mainboard frame by undoing screws. Undo 11 screws and lift the protector cover using a pry tool. And also do not forget to disconnect the flash plug and the shield. Take out the frame and disconnect the battery plug. Next, disconnect the LCD, main flex connectors and the antenna head to take out the logic board. Take out the board and take out the camera bracket. Next, take out the required networking camera from the board. There are a total of 5 cameras including the front camera. 4 camera connectors are on the front side of the board while the depth camera connector is on the rear side of the board. Next, place the required broken camera with a new unit and place it on the board. Next, place the logic board and secure the camera bracket. Next, connect the LCD, battery, main flex and antenna head into the board. Next, place the board cover on the logic board by inserting 11 screws. And also, do not forget to connect the flash plug and the shield by adding the screw on the bottom right. Finally, add the back cover and ensure the clips are secured. And also, do not forget to add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.